up? This is Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you how to play Wishing Well. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So for this song, you're going to be in standard tuning with no capo. The chords you'll need are C, open 3, 2, open 1, open, D minor, open, 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 2, 3, 1, A minor, open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. Right, so that's C, D minor, A minor, and then you will also need an F. We'll play it like this. So X, open 3, 2, 1, 1.